Shall
So we will move in a systematic manner, step by step. So the first step is that we have to fix the ascendant sub-sublord. Okay. Now the ascendant sub-sublord has to be fixed on the basis of the moon star. The moon star is Ketu. It means which are the planets that we can have as ascendant sub-sublord. The first planet will be Ketu itself. The second planet will be, because Ketu represents Jupiter, it is in Jupiter sign, Jupiter star. So the second planet is Jupiter.
yes.
The third planet is Moon.
Sir, I have
Bec-
different configuration here.
Huh?
Moon is a starlight is Jupiter.
No, no, no. Oh, that even
Uh,
that is okay, na? Even that is okay. Suppose Jupiter was not here, but we have to take Jupiter because of Ketu, because Ketu represents Jupiter. So I could have substituted Ketu
By Jupiter.
by Jupiter. Therefore, Jupiter has to be taken, right? It is luckily,
no,
Jupiter is appearing here, right?
my chart.
Suppose there was some other planet, even then Jupiter would have been taken. Okay, so Ketu is one, Jupiter is the second one, Moon is the third one, right? And then
Sir.
then we have to look at this particular row, Ketu. Ketu is in Jupiter star, Jupiter has to be taken. Ketu is in Rahu sub, Rahu has to be taken. Ketu is in Saturn sub sub, Saturn has to be taken. So the planets will be Ketu, Jupiter, Moon, Rahu, Saturn. Now you know
I.
that Rahu represents Mercury and Sun. I could have substituted Mercury and Sun over here. It means Mercury and Sun also has to be taken. So the list of planets will be Ketu, Moon, Jupiter, Rahu, Saturn, Mercury, Sun. How many planets are there?
Seven.
Seven planets. Now, which two planets are not there?
Venus.
One is Venus and the other one is Mars. So,
Mars.
what you do is you write on a paper that Mars and Venus, whenever they will appear here, while doing the BTR, we have to remove them from the position of sub-sublot. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Mars and Venus cannot be taken as the ascendant sub-sublot. So that was the first point. Rule number one, that you have first of all to check the planets which can become the ascendant sub-sublord and identify the planets which cannot be sub-sublords. That makes the things simple and easy, because whenever those planets which cannot be the sub-sublords of the ascendant appear over here, you have simply to change the time and you have to remove these planets from this position. Is it okay? This is rule number one, right? So then here in the present case, Saturn is appearing in our list.
Sir.
Okay.
Okay, so it
Okay.
means we need not change Saturn from this position unless and until it is required, right?
Okay, sir.
Open your laptops and keep on doing it side by side, so that will help you a lot.
बाद में
फर्स्ट पॉइंट,
करेंगे
फर्स्ट
बाद में
पॉइंट, हाँ
करेंगे
हाँ, आप इधर भी देखो, अपने लैपटॉप पे मेरे साथ साथ करोगे ना, तो इट
अच्छा
विल
तो
बी
कैसे कंफ्यूजन
easy.
होगा कंफ्यूजन
It will be easy for you to carry on how you have to do it. If I am making a change over here, you can also change accordingly and see that why this change is being done. Okay, so Saturn as the ascendant sub-sublord is okay. I need not change it because Saturn has appeared in the list of planets which can be the ascendant sub-sublord. Okay, तो हमें यहाँ सैटर्न को चेंज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि सैटर्न हमारी लिस्ट में है. इसीलिए पहला रूल जो है असेंडेंट सब लॉर्ड की फिक्सेशन, वो ओके है. हमें असेंडेंट सब लॉर्ड को यहाँ से चेंज नहीं करना है. वी नीड नॉट चेंज दी असेंडेंट सब लॉर्ड. What is rule number 2? Rule number
Arc.
2 is about the arc. Now this is the chart of male,
Yes,
and
sir.
what is the
Yes,
sign?
sir.
What is the
Gemini,
Male.
sign?
Gemini. Male and
Gemini,
male less than 50.
male sign. So male and male, it means what?
Less
Less
than
than
50.
50%, and the arc is already 21.79%. So this is okay. No change has to be made. So rule number 2 is also okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Rule number 2 is okay. So first two rules, they are clear, they are okay. No change has to be done whatever the time is. Now the third rule is the rule of 1
1,
7
7,
10.
10.
1 7 10. Now for 1 7 10 rule, what did I point out? Write the co-rulers of the sun up to sub-sublord. They are Venus Rahu, Moon Rahu. Okay. Then you write the co-rulers of moon up to prana lord, which are Jupiter, Ketu, Moon and Moon. Then you write the ascendant co-rulers up to sub-sublord, which is Mercury, Rahu, Venus and Saturn. So after doing this, what you need to do is you need to find out that what are the planets for which we have to fix the 1 7 and 10 rule. And now if you look here, sun has not appeared. Sun has not appeared. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So we need not adjust sun for 1 7 10 rule. Right? Moon is there.
Sun is there in 10, sir.
Where is
Starlight
sun? Where is sun there in the co-rulers of sun, moon, and the ascendant?
in 7th ka
No, sir.
sun is
No, sir.
appearing.
No, no, no,
Seventh.
no.
See, don't confuse it. Look here. यही तो गलतियां करते हो आप. 7 में क्यों देख रहे हो अभी सन? हमें तो कोरूलर्स देखना है ना. जो असेंडेंट के कोरूलर्स होंगे, जो मून के कोरूलर्स होंगे, और जो हमारे पास सन के कोरूलर्स होंगे, वो प्लैनेट्स 1 7 10 रूल को फॉलो करने चाहिए.
ठीक है सर, ये वाला टेबल देख कर सकते हैं सर.
हाँ, और जो प्लैनेट
टेबल
यहाँ पे अपीयर नहीं होगा इनमें, उसको
टेबल
हमें
दिखाने से
फिक्स,
टेबल
उसको
दिखा
हमें
दीजिए सर.
यस.
टेबल देखने से हमारा टेबल कस्पलेंटल टेबल देर ना सर.
नहीं, उसको तो छोड़ो ना आप. कस्पल इंटरलिंक टेबल को छोड़ो, हम तो उस पे जा ही नहीं रहे. वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द कस्पल इंटरलिंक टेबल. वी विल कम टू इट लेटर ऑन. नो नीड. ना, simply what we are doing is, simply what we are checking is, we are checking the co-rulers of sun, we are writing the co-rulers of moon, we are writing the co-rulers of ascendant. Sun has not appeared. Moon is there. Okay. After moon, the next planet is Mars. Mars has not appeared. Right? Mercury is there. Jupiter is there. Venus is there. Saturn is there. Rahu is there. And Ketu is there. So which two planets they have not appeared over here? One
Sun
is
and
Sun,
Mars.
Sun,
Mars.
Sun
Sun
and
and
Mars.
So
Mars.
so we don't have to fix Sun and Mars for the rule of 1 7 and 10. Okay.
ठीक है.
Right?
Right.
Now we start with Moon. What were the rules which we discussed for the 1 7 10 rule? The first point was that if the planet has PS and it appears in any two out of 1 7 and 10, it qualifies. If the planet has not PS, it does not have a PS, then it has to qualify the 1 7 10 rule through the star lord and the sublord. If the star lord, suppose, appears in 2 out of 1 7 10, it is okay, we need not proceed to sublord. If the star lord is appearing in 1, then we have to check for the sublord appearing in 7 or 10, and vice versa. So there are as many as 6 7 combinations which we have to check. Is it okay? So let
Yes.
us take the case of moon here. Moon has got PS, right? It means if moon appears in 1, 7 and 10, any two out of these, the rule is satisfied. Moon is not there in 1.
Yes, yes.
Moon is there in 7.
7 May.
7 sublord.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
7 subladders.
Okay, okay.
Right. Okay. Moon is not there in 10.
Hmm.
Therefore,
Yes,
since moon is having PS, it is appearing only in 7. Now we will have to qualify the 1, 7, 10 rule by proceeding to star lord and sublord.
Hmm.
Yes.
Star lord is Ketu.
Ketu.
Ketu is not there in 1. Ketu is not there in 7. Ketu is not there in 10. Ketu is not posted in 7. It means Ketu is not qualifying. Right?
Yes.
अब
Or
Ketu is
Yes,
not
yes, sir.
qualifying. Ketu can be substituted with Jupiter, because in planetary positions, if Rahu Ketu appear, we can substitute them with their representative planets. So Ketu will be substituted with Jupiter. If you look at Jupiter, Jupiter is appearing in 7.
Yes.
Jupiter is appearing in 10.
10. Yes, sir.
It is qualifying.
Moon
Only
qualified.
at this level it is qualifying. Suppose you don't do it like this. I consider Jupiter here. So Jupiter here is in 7 and Jupiter here is in 10. It qualifies. Okay.
Okay, sir. Hmm.
So Jupiter qualifies. Moon qualifies. Mars is not there. We will not consider. The next planet is Mercury. Mercury has PS. Right? If Mercury is appearing in 2 out of 1, 7, 10, it will qualify. Mercury is appearing in 1. It is not in 7. It is not in 10. It is not posted in 7. Not posted in 1. Not posted in 10.
Only
Right?
one.
Only 1. Therefore, what we will have to do?
Go to
Star
star.
Lord.
We will have to qualify it through the star lord and the sublord.
Sublord.
First of all, we focus on star lord. If star lord appears in 2, 1 and 7, or 1, 7 and 10, or 1 and 10, it will qualify.
Star
Look at
Lord in 7.
star lord there in 1. It is in 7. It is in 10. It is
Yes.
appearing in all the 3, 1, 7 and 10. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, it qualifies. It qualifies. We
Next.
need not proceed to
Mercury.
Venus. But anyhow, if you want to check Venus, Venus is there in the first cusp. Venus there in the 7th cusp. So Venus also qualifies. Okay. So it means Mercury also qualifies the rule. Right? So 3 planets, Moon has qualified, Mercury has qualified. Right? Mercury, Moon has qualified, Mercury has qualified. Let us now proceed to the next planet, which is Jupiter. Has Jupiter got PS? No. But
No.
Jupiter itself is appearing in 7 and 10. Am I right?
Yes.
Since
Yes,
Jupiter
yes.
is appearing in 7 and 10, we will not say it has qualified 1, 7, 10 rule. Why? Because Jupiter does not have a PS. And since it has not got a PS, it is appearing in 2 cusps. We will have to proceed to the star lord and the sublord to check for the qualification of 1, 7, 10 rule. Saturn we have already discussed in Mercury is appearing in 3, 1, 7 and 10. So it qualifies. Okay.
Yes.
Saturn is appearing in 1,
Okay.
7 and 10. It qualifies. Look at Rahu. Rahu is also there in 1.
Yes, yes.
It also qualifies. Okay. Right? So Jupiter qualifies. The next planet is Venus. Venus without PS. Venus is appearing in 1 and 7. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
It is appearing in 2, 1 and 7, but it has no PS. No positional status is there. So we will have to look for the qualification of Venus through the star and the sub.
Jupiter.
Yes, yes.
Star is Jupiter. Jupiter is appearing in 7 and 10.
Yes.
Jupiter checked already.
Saturn is appearing in 1, 7, 10.
Yes, yes.
Venus also qualifies. Look at Saturn. No PS. Had Saturn got PS, it was appearing in 1710. We need not go to Venus and Rahu. But since it
Yes,
has no PS, we will have to qualify it through Venus and Rahu. Venus is
yes,
there in 1 and 7. Venus is there in 1 and 7. It qualifies. Am I right?
yes, yes,
No.
Rahu is there in 1.
yes,
Already
yes.
Saturn is in
Sir,
1710, na?
Saturn 1710 without PS, hai na?
Ah,
sir, Venus and Rahu also checked, sir.
Venus and Rahu what?
Venus and Rahu also the previous set was checked.
Already check up.
हाँ
Checked, did not go for.
नहीं वीनस कहाँ चेक किया हमने?
सर पहले चेक किया ना सर.
हम तो सैटर्न चेक कर रहे हैं ना, वीनस थोड़ा चेक कर रहे हैं.
तो वेनस मेर्कुरी सबलॉट वेनस चेक करिए आप 1710 वेनस मेर्कुरी के लिए चेक कर दिया ऑलरेडी.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं चेक करते ना. वी डोंट डू इट लाइक दिस. यू हैव टू चेक देम इंडिविजुअली.
ओके राइट.
It is not to be done like this, you know.
Okay.
If you do it like this, you may miss something. 1710 rule may not qualify. You have to qualify individually. All the planets they have to qualify.
okay.
So Venus is there in 2, 1 and 7. Rahu is there in 1. It qualifies. Next planet is Rahu. Rahu is Sun and Jupiter. Okay. Rahu has got PS, but Rahu is appearing only in 1. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Rahu is appearing only in 1. So therefore we will have to see the qualification of Rahu through Sun and Jupiter. Sun is there in 10 and Jupiter is there in 7 and 10.
Yes.
Rahu also okay.
It qualifies also okay. Then proceed to Ketu. Ketu is Jupiter 7 and 10. Rahu is 1. It is already qualified. Okay.
Yes.
So all the planets except Sun and Mars, which were not required, they have qualified the 1710 rule. So 1710 rule is okay. Therefore, we need not change the time from 21-22 seconds. So look here, ascendant sub-sublord has passed. No need to change the time. Arc is okay. No need to change the time. Rule of 1710 for all the planets except Sun and Mars is okay, has passed. No need to change the time. It means now we will have to focus upon what? The events. Whether all the events which have been reported by the native, are these events, justified on the basis of this time, or we will have to rectify this time. Is it okay?
पहले
This is how
जेनेटिकल
you.
कनेक्शन पहले जेनेटिकल कनेक्शन का चेक करना है सर.
हाँ,
जेनेटिक कनेक्शन
जेनेटिक कनेक्शन अगर दिए होंगे तो जरूर चेक करेंगे.
तो पहले ये वाला रूट
Genetic connections.
Father Starlord and
no father mother and elder sister Starlord sir दिए ना सर.
दिए हुए हैं.
जेनेटिक
they are given, sir. They are given.
Then let me check it out. I think I missed.
दिया ये वाला
Father's birth chart is Chitta.
Mars.
Okay. These are given,
Rahu.
And again Mars.
Father is Mars.
Mother Rahu.
Mother is Rahu.
And elder sister Mars.
Elder sister is again Mars. Okay,
sir.
Now we will not check the genetic connections here. Why? Because we will check the events first and then we'll proceed to genetic connections. Suppose if
sir.
the events are not explained on the basis of this time, we are unable to explain the events on the basis of this time, then what happens? This time will change and the sub-sublords are likely to change. If the sub-sublords are likely to change, again we will have to readjust the genetical connections. Is it okay?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
So genetical connections we won't check here. We will check it after verifying the events. Right. Now, out of the events, marriage event, first childbirth, second childbirth, I will preferably select the death of father. Why? Because it will happen once. And since it happens once and the accurate time for the death is given, time is given, so I will first of all check the death event and try to find out that whether the death event is explainable on the basis of this time or I have to rectify the time. And then finally, after fixing the death event, the time on the basis of the death event or the rectified time, whatever I get, then I will proceed to the other events without making any change. Is it okay? So पहले भी मैंने जो आपसे डिस्कस किया था कि we always preferably fix the birth time on the basis of the death events, because death is a
ఇంకేమన్నా
phenomenon
కావాలా
that
మేడం?
will happen only once. Yes, what did you say? किसी ने कुछ बोला है? Is there anything to be asked? किसी ने कुछ पूछना है?
No, no, sir.
नहीं नहीं नहीं
नहीं, ओके। तो हम सबसे पहले यहाँ पे डेथ इवेंट जो है उसको वेरीफाई करेंगे हम ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस टाइम एंड चेक आउट whether some rectification in the time has to be done, or I can explain the event of death on the basis of this time which has been reported by the native. So for this purpose, what we will do to check the death event is we will post here the time. You can do it. Here the time for the death event is father is 6798 0607 1998. Am I right? Everybody can do it. Current dasha के नीचे 6th of July 1998 and then show dasha. Have you done it? अपने अपने लैपटॉप में in your laptops
Mercury.
put this date 6th of July 1998, okay, and then show dasha. It will give
Venus,
you the
Mercury.
dasha, bhukti, antara, sukshma and prana. The prana will be based upon time and the time is 1545. So the death is 6/7 and 1545. 6/7 1998 1545. So it will be Venus, Mercury, Sun, Moon and Mercury. Okay. Venus, Mercury,
Yes,
Sun,
sir.
Moon and
yes yes
Mercury.
yes
ठीक हो
Yes,
गया?
sir.
हाँ जी,
Yes, sir.
ओके है ये?
Yes,
ओके।
sir.
अब देखो यहाँ पे क्या करना है हमें। Whether death will happen, we have to first of all fix the dasha. In the event of death, the dasha is very, very important, and till the dasha says yes, the event will not happen. जब तक दशा लॉर्ड डेथ के इवेंट को यस नहीं करेगा, डेथ नहीं होगी. इन केस ऑफ डेथ, द दशा लॉर्ड is the planet of prime importance and we have to fix the dasha. We have to fix the dasha lord. How we fix the dasha lord? On the basis of certain rules which we follow, so that the dasha lord, if it satisfies the three basic rules, then this dasha will be capable of giving death, otherwise it will not give death. डेथ के केस में भुक्ति, अंतरा, सूक्ष्म, प्राणा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. डेथ के केस में दशा लॉर्ड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. जब तक दशा लॉर्ड डेथ इवेंट के लिए यस नहीं करेगा, तब तक डेथ नहीं होगी. और डेथ दशा लॉर्ड डेथ के लिए यस कब करेगा? इसके लिए भी there are 3 important rules which we have to follow systematically. हाँ जी, ओके है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ जी, इज इट ओके?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है। अब यहाँ पे दशा कौन सी है? वीनस है।
Yes.
अब सबसे पहला पॉइंट, दिस इज द इवेंट ऑफ डेथ ऑफ फादर,
Yes, sir.
राइट?
Uh-huh.
So the
It is the
ascendant, the ascendant is 9th house.
Yes, sir. In Aquarius.
The 4th house is 8th house.
Huh.
4th house is 8th house. The 10th house is 2nd house. The 3rd house is 7th house. The 8th house is 12th house. And since here the 9th cusp rises in the sign of Aquarius,
Hmm.
and Aquarius is which sign? Fixed sign.
Aries.
Ninth, sir.
Fixed sign है ना?
Aries.
Fixed
Okay,
sign.
sir. Oh, fixed.
If
Ninth
it
is
is-
Badaka.
So 9th is Badka,
Badaka.
and which is 9 to the 9th, that is 5th house. So the 5th house is Badka. I repeat again. 9th house ascendant, 4th house is the 8th house, 10th house is the 2nd house, 3rd house is the 7th house, 8th house is the 12th house. It means 3, 8 and 10 are Marka houses, and the 5th house is the 9th house, which is the Badka house. Now, what are the conditions for the Dasha Lord, for a perfect Dasha Lord to cause the event of death? What are the conditions? First condition is that
Co-ruler.
the Dasha Lord has to be a co-ruler of either 9 or 4 or 5.
Yes,
9
sir.
is ascendant, 4th is 8th house, and 5 is Badka. So the Dasha Lord has to be a co-ruler of either the ascendant, the 1st house, or the 8th house, or the Badka house. It means 4, 5 or 9. In particular houses में, in particular cusp में, the Dasha Lord Venus should appear as a co-ruler. And if it is not appearing as co-ruler in 4, in 5, in 9, then we will have to adjust this time so that it appears in one of these 3 cusp, which are 4th cusp co-rulers, 9th cusp co-rulers, and 5th cusp co-rulers. Venus is not appearing in 4. Venus is not present in 4th house. Right? Venus
Yes,
is
sir.
appearing in 5.
Yes, sir.
Venus is also appearing in 5th bhava.
Yes, sir.
Satisfies the condition. So appearance of Venus in 5th as a 5th co-ruler, sign lord of the 5th cusp, and it's posited in the 5th house in the bhava chart, it satisfies the first condition for Venus to be an effective dasha lord. Okay, subject to condition that it also fulfills the other 2 conditions. What is the second condition? That this dasha lord, which is Venus, should be linked to the 8th sub-lord, and the 8th sub-lord in the present case is
4.
4th house.
Yes.
And the sub-lord of 4th house is Saturn.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the dasha lord has to be linked to the 4th sub-lord, that is the 8th house for the father of the native, and the 4th sub-lord is Saturn. So there has to be a link between Venus and Saturn. If you look here, this link should be preferably at the star level, or it has to be at the sub level. we should not have this link at the sub level. We have discussed this point so many times. So here Venus is appearing in the sub of Saturn. So there is a link between Venus and Saturn. Am I right?
Mm.
Look here,
Okay.
Saturn. Saturn is appearing in the star of Venus.
Okay.
Am I right? It is
Yes.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Second rule is okay.
Second is okay. Second rule is also okay.
Mm.
Right?
Third rule.
Now, before we proceed to the significations, what now I'll have to do is I will go to the transit chart. In the transit chart, I will go to the event of death of father and I will calculate. Okay? When I do this, what I need to do here is I need to check the moon star. And the moon star at the time of death of father is which planet?
Saturn.
Saturn.
Mm.
What is the sun star at the time of death of father? Jupiter. What is the sun sub at the time of death of father? That is again Jupiter. Right?
Sons of Jupiter.
Sun sub is Jupiter. Sun star भी ले लो तो भी ओके है. स्टार भी हो जाए तो लिंक अच्छा है.
Sun star will
Primarily we
Moon.
fix upon moon star and sun sub, but at the same time, we should also check the sun star. Sun star should also link to the death giving houses. Okay, it should also link to the 8 sub lord. You can take it, you can leave it, your option. But it is given that you can take it, and nothing wrong in taking, because here Jupiter is repeating itself, therefore no problems at all. Okay,
Same time Jupiter.
now
Same time Saturn also can take, na sir.
ये सैटर्न भी लेंगे अभी.
हाँ.
सैटर्न भी लेंगे ना. सैटर्न तो पहले बाकी चेक करेंगे, उसके बाद सैटर्न पे आएंगे ना.
Saturn.
पहले तो डेथ इवेंट चेक करेंगे, फिर सैटर्न पे आएंगे ना.
Mars and Ketu. Okay.
ठीक है ना. सैटर्न पे तब आएंगे ना.
हाँ,
अब सैटर्न भी चेक करेंगे. सैटर्न इज इन which sign and it is in which star at the time of death of father. At the time of death of father, okay, we can also write it down. Saturn
Saturn
is in, it
Star
is
of
in
Ketu.
which, no, it is
Star
in
of
sign,
Ketu, sign of Mars.
Mars sign,
Aries.
and it is Ketu, Mars sign, Ketu star,
Yes, sir.
right? And Ketu is Jupiter. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So then, after writing it down, now what is important? That the 8th sub-lord, which was which planet? Saturn. The 8th sub-lord, which was
Yes, sir.
Saturn. Okay, this should be linked to the moon star. What was moon star? Saturn. नोट किया कि नहीं किया आपने?
Ah, yes, sir. Saturn.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now what is moon star? Saturn.
Saturn.
Yes, sir.
And what is 8th sub-lord?
Eight
Saturn.
sub-lord is Saturn. Yes, sir.
So they are linked.
Okay.
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 Now Saturn should also establish link with Jupiter. Look at Jupiter. Jupiter is in which star?
Saturn.
Saturn. Link established?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So sun star, sun sub, moon star, they are linked. Right?
Okay.
Okay. And now what is the next condition? That Saturn has to transit in a sign
Yes,
which
sir.
should be
Mars sign.
linked to the 8th sub-lord,
Hmm.
or which should be a co-ruler of death giving houses. or it has to be a significator of the death giving houses. So we have already written Mars and Ketu here, and we'll come to this point in the last. Okay, is it okay? ठीक है, तो मार्स
sir.
में देखो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मार्स देखो, अगर मार्स इज लिंक टू द 8 सब लॉट. व्हाट इज 8 सब लॉट?
Saturn.
Mars is in the star of Saturn.
Mars in the star of Saturn. It is linked.
Yes, sir.
And then Ketu star. Ketu is Jupiter, and Jupiter is in the star of Saturn.
Saturn.
It is linked.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Saturn also satisfies the condition. After checking these conditions, now we will proceed to the significations of the Dasha Lord. The Dasha Lord is Venus. Venus has no PS. It is in the star of Jupiter without PS. Sub of Saturn, no PS. Sub of Rahu, which has got PS. And Rahu is Mercury and Sun. Mercury has got PS. Sun has got PS. Okay, so the position is also important. Right? हाँ जी, क्लियर है ये बात? वीनस को
Please
अगर आप देखो,
Sir, please repeat it now.
हाँ,
Mistake.
वीनस को अगर आप देखो, तो हम अब चेक करेंगे वीनस की सिग्निफिकेशंस को. इफ यू लुक एट वीनस, वीनस हैज नो पीएस.
Okay.
राइट?
हाँ.
मैं अपना पेन भी ऑन कर लेता हूँ. ओहो, ये क्या हो गया? We are talking about Venus. Venus is in Jupiter star. It is in Saturn sub, and it is in Rahu sub. Rahu is Mercury and Sun. Rahu has got PS, Mercury has PS, Sun has PS. Okay. Jupiter has no PS, Saturn has no PS. Venus has no PS. So Venus will give the result through its star lord. Okay. Now, the next important condition is that the Dasha Lord has to be significator of 1, 8, Marka and Badka.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
1, 8, Marka and Badka. दशा लॉर्ड के लिए कंडीशन है सिर्फ ये. राइट? ये कंडीशन रिलैक्स भी कर देते हैं आप. हाउ वी कैन रिलैक्स दिस? द कंडीशन कैन बी रिलैक्स like star lord appears in 1, dasha lord, sub lord appears in 8, then here we can have marka or badka. If star lord is 1 and 8, then the sub lord is 1 or 8, marka and badka. So anyway, the fundamental condition for a dasha lord to be a significator of death for the relative about whom we are talking is that it has to be a significator of 1, 8, Marka and Badka houses. अब वीनस देखो आप, वीनस is in Jupiter star. Since it is in Jupiter star, which are the houses of our focus? The houses of our focus. Now we will not look into all the houses.
9, 4,
What
5.
we'll do here, we will look here for 3, 4, 5, 8, 9 and 10. Third house is Marka. Fourth house is 8th house. Fifth house is Badka house. Right?
Hmm.
8th house is Marka house. 9th house is ascendant. 10th house is Marka house.
3,
So
4,
3,
5.
8 and 10 are 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10.
Yes.
Okay. Now the important positions for the Dasha Lord is there should be 9, there should be 4, there should be either 10 or 3 or 8 and 5. So 1 out of 3, 8 and 10, 4, 9 and 5. These are essential for a dasha lord to be a significator of the event of death. So we will first of all read here the links of Jupiter. Jupiter here is not in 3, not in third house. Okay,
4.
Jupiter is not in 4. Jupiter is in 5. Jupiter is in 5. We will write down 5. 5 is which house? Bhatka.
Badaka.
Okay. And
Okay.
then we have to focus upon 8th house.
8.
Jupiter is not there in 8th.
9.
Jupiter is there in 9th. 9th is which house? Ascendant. And Jupiter is in which house? 10th house also. And 10th house is which house? Marka.
5, 9, 10 is there.
So it is 5, 9 and 10.
Yes.
It means ascendant, Marka and Bhatka. मार्का बाका की कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होगी,
Yes, sir.
ascendant की कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होगी. Now the sublord has to necessarily, essentially appear in 4th house. If it is not appearing in 4th house, then this dasha lord cannot cause the death. मैं फिर रिपीट करता हूं. देखो दशा लॉर्ड के लिए अगर इसको डेथ का सिग्निफिकेशन देना है तो दशा लॉर्ड थ्रू स्टार लॉर्ड एंड सब लॉर्ड शुड लिंक टू 1, 8 मार्का एंड बादका हाउसेस. इसको 1 के साथ, 8 के साथ, मार्का और बादका के साथ लिंक होना जरूरी है. अब जब हम दशा लॉर्ड को चेक करते हैं, इसकी लिंकिंग को चेक करते हैं वीनस की, तो वीनस थ्रू इट्स स्टार जुपिटर इट इज लिंक्ड टू 5th हाउस, 9th हाउस एंड 10th हाउस. 5th हाउस इज बादका,
9th house ascendant.
9th हाउस असेंडेंट एंड 10th हाउस इज मार्का.
Yes.
इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसने हमें फर्स्ट हाउस दे दिया, मार्का दे दिया और बादका दे दिया.
Satisfied. Satisfied.
Not
Again,
satisfied.
one
Still we
condition,
require
sir.
which house? One. We
Fourth house.
require 4th house.
अच्छा.
अब सबलॉर्ड को 4th हाउस जरूर देना है.
हाँ.
अगर सबलॉर्ड 4th हाउस नहीं देगा तो डेथ नहीं होगी. ओके.
Okay.
अब हम सबलॉर्ड को चेक करते हैं.
Sublord is
Sublord.
Saturn.
सबलॉर्ड
Saturn.
3rd हाउस में है. 3rd हाउस कौन सा है? मार्का.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
सैटर्न 4th हाउस में है.
Yes.
4th हाउस
Okay.
कौन सा है? 8th हाउस. कंडीशन
Yes.
फुलफिल हो गई.
Yes, sir.
Fulfill.
सैटर्न 8th हाउस में है.
ठीक है सर.
सैटर्न 9th हाउस में भी
House
है.
में है.
सैटर्न
10th house में.
10th हाउस में भी है.
Okay, sir.
तो सैटर्न कहाँ पे है? 8th हाउस में भी है, मार्का में भी है, बादका में नहीं है. 8th हाउस, सैटर्न 8th हाउस में है, असेंडेंट में है और मार्का में है. तो हमें तो सिर्फ कहाँ चाहिए था?
4 चाहिए.
Full 4.
4th चाहिए था.
हाँ,
तो
4
4th की
satisfied.
कंडीशन फुलफिल होगी. कंडीशन सेटिस्फाइड.
Yes.
राइट. एंड नाउ व्हाट इज द एसेंशियल कंडीशन? ये तो necessary conditions हो गई through star and sub. What is the essential condition? Essential condition is that the sublord has to be present in Marka house or Badka house or 12th house or 8th house.
Anyone.
यानी anyone.
Yes.
अगर किसी एक में आ जाए it satisfies the condition.
Okay.
Okay. अब इसका मतलब है जो हमारे पास सब लॉर्ड है वीनस का, दैट इज राहु. राहु को कहाँ अपीयर होना है? राहु मरकरी और सन भी है. तो राहु शुड अपीयर ईदर इन 4 और इन 3 और इन 8 और इन 10 और इन 5. सो इट इज 3, 4, 5, 8, 10 किसी एक में आ जाए, इट सेटिस्फाइज द कंडीशन.
Okay.
ओके. लुक एट राहु.
In 5.
Rahu is already present in the 3rd house. It is sitting in the 3rd house.
Okay.
Satisfy होगी कंडीशन. मार्का में है.
Satisfied है.
Rahu is there in the 5th house as the star lord. Rahu is there in the 5th house as the star lord. Okay,
Okay,
ये
sir.
देखो 5th हाउस में भी स्टार लॉर्ड है ना,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
थर्ड
सेटिस्फाई
हाउस में
होगी।
नहीं है ना सर राहु?
ये 3rd हाउस में बैठा नहीं है भावा चार्ट में। अरे पीएस होके देखो ना, पीएस होके भावा चार्ट में बैठा हुआ 3rd हाउस में।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके,
ये सही।
ओके, 3rd में भी है राहु, राहु 5th में भी है, राइट, 3rd में भी है, 5th में भी है।
फिफ्थ बाद का।
ओके, अब हमें 8 में और 10 में देख लेते हैं। 8 में राहु नहीं है, 10 में राहु नहीं है, सो जरूरत नहीं है, सेटिस्फाई हो गई कंडीशन। सपोज राहु सेटिस्फाई नहीं करता तो हम राहु का सब्स्टिट्यूट लेते, रिप्रेजेंटेटिव। राहु का सब्स्टिट्यूट कौन सा है? मरकरी। मरकरी देखो कहाँ पे अपीयर हो रहा है? 5th में अपीयर हो रहा है, तो मरकरी सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है कंडीशन। मरकरी देखो कहाँ अपीयर हो रहा है? 4th में अपीयर हो रहा है, तो मरकरी भी सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है कंडीशन। सपोज मरकरी भी नहीं देता तो हम सन को देखते, सन देखो 5th हाउस में है, सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है कंडीशन। सो दिस इज हाउ यू चेक इट। इट मींस the dasha lord Venus can cause the death of the person about whom we are discussing. It can cause the death of the relative of the native about whom we are discussing. So Venus dasha is a strong significator of death giving houses, and it will give death to the father of the native. हाँ जी, हो गई इतनी बात क्लियर?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
अब यहां तक बात नहीं हो गई। इफ यू रिमेंबर आई पॉइंटेड आउट, अब तो हमने यहां तक चेक कर लिया। Now, what is the next important point that we have always to focus and look upon is the progressed ascendant sign lord. Progressed ascendant sign lord.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we will do, we will go to the progressed ascendant sign lord, टूल्स में जाएंगे, विमशोत्री दशा प्रोग्रेस पोजीशन।
Ascendant is moon.
अब हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे?
कैलकुलेशन करना है।
नहीं, ये तो मून तो आज की डेट का है ना,
हाँ, यस यस, वही है।
हमें
करना पड़ेगा।
हमें आज की डेट
कैलकुलेशन
नहीं ना लेनी, हमें ये तो
ठीक है,
19/6
कैलकुलेशन करना
2025 का है ना।
ठीक
हमने
है
तो
सर।
इवेंट वाली डेट्स का लेना है। अब मैंने
हाँ,
इवेंट सारे फीड किए हुए हैं।
मैरिज
अब देखो, आप
6, 7.
लुक हियर
मैरिज
नाउ,
ओनली मैरिज है।
look here, the first event is which event I have written here? Can you read this?
Marriage.
Marriage. I select marriage and I do the calculation. When I calculate, what is the progressed ascendant sign lord?
मून।
Moon.
Moon. So I will write down marriage के आगे क्या लिखूंगा?
मून।
Moon is the
Sign lord
progressed
moon.
ascendant sign lord. Okay. Then I will proceed to the next event, which is first child. I will again do the calculations. Which is the progress ascendant sign lord here again?
Moon.
Moon. I will again write down moon in front of it. Then I will proceed to the second childbirth, do the calculations. Which progress ascendant sign lord I am getting here again? It is
That also
moon.
moon.
I will
Again.
write down moon. Okay. Then I will proceed to the next event, which is the death of father. Calculate it. Which progress ascendant sign lord I am getting here?
Moon.
Moon.
Again moon. See, look here, all the events are happening in the
Moon
when
sign.
the when the ascendant progressed to the sign of moon, right? Cancer sign.
Hmm.
Okay. Then I will look at the job, and when I do the calculation, which sign lord I am getting here? Moon again. Then I will look at the promotion and calculate it. Which progress ascendant I am getting here? It is again moon. It means all the 6 events in the life of this native which he has given to me. There are so many other events also. They are all happening when the ascendant has progressed into the sign of moon. When the progressed ascendant sign lord, Rashi lord, that is moon. Now it means in the natal chart, moon through its PS, through its star lord and sublord has to give me all cusps which are responsible for the happening of these events.
up
Okay,
to up to
all
up to
events.
sir, देख up to prana level.
सब लॉर्ड और प्राणा.
नहीं
सर
नहीं यहाँ
नहीं सर, up
नॉट
to
अप,
prana level.
क्या कर रहे हो, प्राणा लेवल पे नहीं लेना है इसको ना. मून
अब
की हम मून साइन लॉर्ड को रीड कर रहे हैं. मून साइन लॉर्ड थ्रू इट्स पीएस स्टार एंड सब प्रॉमिस देख रहे हैं हम. वी आर चेकिंग द प्रॉमिस ऑफ इवेंट्स
ओके,
and the promise of events is checked only up to sublord level. Am I right?
ठीक है.
अब आ जाओ कस्पल इंटरलिंक टेबल पे. मून देखो 2 4 8 12 7 and 6. 2 4 6 7 8 12. Am I right? तो मैं क्या करूंगा यहाँ पे 2 4 6 7 8 12 लिख लूंगा मून के नीचे. 2 4 6 7 8 12.
यस सर.
ओके.
2 4 6 6 का है, 6 कहाँ है?
2 4 6 7 8 and 12 मून के
Yes,
नीचे
sir.
लिख लेंगे. ओके. A moon is in the star of Ketu. Ketu is Jupiter. What I will do? केतु की सिग्निफिकेशंस लिखेंगे हम. तो केतु की सिग्निफिकेशंस क्या है? 2 3 and 9. 2 3 and 9.
यस सर.
ओके.
जुपिटर
और जुपिटर की सिग्निफिकेशंस क्या है हमारे पास? जुपिटर
5
की
6.
सिग्निफिकेशन है 2 5 6 7 9 and 10.
ओके.
2 5 6 7 9 and 10. Am I right?
यस सर.
अब इन सारी सिग्निफिकेशंस को जब हम ऐड करेंगे
2 3
2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 12.
4 का है.
4 है नहीं मून में.
मून सर.
ये मून में 4
हाँ.
दो जगह 4 अपीयर हुआ. ठीक है.
ओके ओके ओके.
राइट.
2 3 4.
अब हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पर दो हाउसेज अपीयर नहीं हो रहे. एक 1 हाउस अपीयर नहीं हो रहा और दूसरा 11 हाउस अपीयर नहीं हो रहा. ठीक है.
यस सर.
अब एक इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट लिखो. जब हम किसी भी कस्प का प्रॉमिस पढ़ते हैं, देन राइट डाउन पेज 371 your 2 horoscope. Page 371 your 2 horoscope. Okay.
यस सर. रुको रुको सर.
Page 371 your 2 horoscope. क्या लिखते हैं वहां पे? That when you are to see the events, they have to be seen up to the sub level. But when we have to see the promise, then the promise, for reading the promise, we can also use the Sukshma Lord and the Prana Lord. You write down your 2 horoscope, page 371, last paragraph. It is very important, and if you want me, I can read it down for you. Page 371 of your 2
271.
horoscope. 371.
370. अच्छा.
It is given in the last last 3 lines. The analysis of charts of various units is limited to sub level, but fixing the position of cusp for promise. The use of Sukshma Lord and Prana Lords have also been accepted. This is given by Khular ji.
कहाँ सर? 371 लास्ट पैरा.
हाँ. ओके. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? अब इसी टेबल में आई विल गो अप टू प्राणा लेवल, और प्राणा लेवल में मेरे पास दो हाउसेस नहीं आ रहे थे, एक 1 और एक 11. तो मून देखो 1 में आ गया, 1 2 4 5 6 7 8 10 12,
11 नहीं है,
11 जुपिटर का आएगा ना केतु के थ्रू।
11 नहीं सर, 1 11 नॉट अपियर।
देखो ना केतु किसमें है, 2 3 9,
हाँ
केतु इज जुपिटर,
Yes.
सर,
Ketu in Jupiter, it is 11, sir.
अच्छा ओके ओके,
जुपिटर इज 11।
यस यस यस,
इसका मतलब 1 to 11, 1 to 12 सारे हाउसेस आ गए।
Uh,
ठीक है, अब 1 to 12 सारे हाउसेस आने का मतलब क्या है, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग, दैट दिस नेटिव विल एंजॉय द इवेंट ऑफ ऑल द हाउसेस
mm,
ड्यूरिंग हिज लाइफ पीरियड व्हेन द सूटेबल दशा इज देयर। ओके,
okay. Okay.
ठीक है, ये बात
यस
क्लियर
सर,
हुई बात। अब
Yes.
देखो जॉब के लिए कौन से हाउसेस इंपॉर्टेंट हैं,
2 6 10,
2 6 10 11,
यस सर,
Okay.
2 6 10 11 आ गए।
Yes, sir.
मैरिज के लिए कौन से इंपॉर्टेंट है, 5 7 11
Yes, sir. Again, they are there.
हो गए।
Yes,
फर्स्ट
sir.
चाइल्ड के लिए कौन से हाउसेस इंपॉर्टेंट है, 2 5 11
Yes, sir.
हो गया।
Hmm.
सेकंड चाइल्ड के लिए कौन से हाउसेस हैं,
2
2 7
7
11.
11.
2
7 11.
5 7 11।
Hmm.
ओके,
Hmm.
फादर की डेथ के लिए कौन सी कंडीशन इंपॉर्टेंट है, the
1
progressed
4
ascendant should be
1
linked to should
ninth,
be
9 4
no
10 3 8,
no it should be linked to 8th and 12th house। अरे भूल जाते हो बहुत जल्दी।
हाँ ठीक है, 9 8 for 4 ना सर,
प्रोग्रेस्ड असेंडेंट साइन लॉर्ड का 8 12 से लिंक होना जरूरी है। अगर 8 12 से लिंक नहीं होगा तो डेथ का इवेंट नहीं होगा।
8 12
और
मैंने 4 8, 8 मैंने
प्रोग्रेस
8 12 मैंने 4 8 सर,
8 12 of the native or the ninth cusp we have to take, sir.
नेटिव
Okay.
नॉट ऑफ द 9th कास्ट। अरे नेटिव के घर में कोई दुख का समाचार आ रहा है ना,
8 मतलब 4 है ना सर,
अरे क्या कर रहे हो, व्हाई यू आर टेकिंग द केस ऑफ फादर। नेटिव
अच्छा
कौन है,
हाँ ओके ओके ओके, नेटिव नेटिव,
नेटिव के घर में कोई डेथ होना है या कोई अनसेरिमोनियस चीज होनी है तो क्या होना चाहिए, 8 12 का एक्टिव होना जरूरी है।
यस
8th
यस,
is what, impediments, hurdles, problems, 12 is what, losses। 8 and 12 का होना जरूरी है। अगर 8 and 12 अपीयर हो जाएंगे तो इसका मतलब कोई ना कोई एक्सीडेंट, कोई डेथ, कोई इस तरह की से अनसेरिमोनियल
ओके
इवेंट
ओके,
जो है होगा। अब यहाँ पे मून देखो 8 12 से लिंक्ड है, 8 12 से लिंक है, इसका मतलब कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा इवेंट होने वाला नहीं है, राइट।
यस सर,
अच्छा.
अब द क्वेश्चन इज, since 8 and 12 are there, then if some unceremonious event is likely to happen, then what it can be, is it father, it is mother, is it sister, is it brother, is it you know the the spouse, or maybe somebody else। ओके, तो यहाँ पे हम क्या चेक करेंगे, जो मून है it should appear as what, it should appear as a co-ruler of which house, co-ruler of the 8th house or the ascendant house of the relative whose death is likely to happen। अब मून देखो यहाँ कहाँ अपीयर हो रहा है, फादर की डेथ होगी अगर तो मून कहाँ होना चाहिए, 4 में, 8th हाउस,
हाँ हाँ,
लेकिन 4th हाउस मदर का असेंडेंट भी है। ओके
Yes, sir. Yes,
यस
sir.
ओके, इसके साथ साथ कहाँ अपीयर होना चाहिए, मून 9th हाउस में, मून 9th में नहीं है, मून जो है 11th में, 11th हाउस जो है 8th हाउस है मदर का। अब मून हियर इज अपीयरिंग इन द 8th हाउस ऑफ द फादर, it is not appearing in the 8th house of the mother। It means that this event of death is likely for the father of the native। यहाँ देखो मून कहाँ अपीयर हो रहा है, 4th हाउस में,
ठीक है, फादर ऑफ
8
द,
of the father.
8th ऑफ द फादर,
Yes, sir.
और मदर का 8th हाउस कौन सा है?
मदर के
11th
लिए
हाउस।
मदर के लिए क्या जरूरी है सर?
अरे मदर का भी तो 4th हाउस असेंडेंट है ना।
ठीक है, अभी हमारा पास मदर है ना।
वो तो अलग बात है, मैं एक जनरल बात कर रहा हूँ ना। अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है, आपने चेक करना
अगर
हो कि क्या इवेंट, सपोज आपको डेट दे दी और बता दिया, पूछा कि क्या इवेंट होगा इस डेट को।
ठीक है, इवेंट होने के बाद देख सकते हैं।
अरे इवेंट पूछा है, इवेंट देखा नहीं है। आपको एक डेट दे दी 6/7/1998 को 1545 पे इस नेटिव के साथ कौन सा इवेंट हुआ? डेथ ऑफ फादर हुआ, डेथ ऑफ मदर हुआ, या एक्सीडेंट हुआ, या कुछ और हुआ? देन हाउ विल यू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन?
ठीक है, अब हमारा पास डिटेल है फादर के लिए ओनली।
फादर के लिए इसलिए क्योंकि दिस इज दी 8th हाउस फॉर द फादर।
यस, ये तो
8th house, it is 8th house of the father, but at the same time it is ascendant of the mother. मदर का
Sir,
ascendant कौन सा है?
4,000.
4th house. कंडीशन क्या है? That the progressed ascendant sign lord has to be present as a co-ruler of the ascendant or the 8th house of the
Okay.
relative whose death is likely to happen.
Hmm.
अब मदर का 4th हाउस जो है वो उस मदर का असेंडेंट हो गया, फादर का 4th हाउस क्या हो गया? 8th हाउस हो गया। मदर का 8th हाउस कौन सा हो गया? 11th हाउस हो गया। सिंस moon is not appearing in the 11th house, so we can say that this is an event which is probably related to the father of the native.
ओके
Is it clear?
ओके सर,
हाँ जी, क्लियर है इतना?
क्लियर है।
सो यहाँ तक जो है। अब इसके बाद जो है हम इवेंट्स में डेथ करेंगे, डेथ के इवेंट में हम चेक करेंगे बाकी सब प्लैनेट्स। नाउ वी विल प्रोसीड टू भुक्ति, अंतरा, सूक्ष्म एंड प्राणा। And 6/7/1998, 1545. So it is Venus, Mercury, Sun, Moon, and Mercury. Let us see if Mercury is giving death or not. If you read Mercury, Mercury has PS. It is in a star of Saturn, sub of Venus, and sub of Venus. Okay. So Mercury with PS is appearing in 4. Mercury with PS is appearing in 5. Mercury with appearance PS is appearing in 9. So it has involved both the houses. Which houses? First house, ascendant, 8th house, as well as Badaka house. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Through the star Saturn,
Sir,
it is involving.
Antara alert should be related to primary cusp like 8th house ना sir.
किसका?
ये डेथ में अभी Mercury 8th also to be represented. 8th में नहीं है.
क्यों? मरकरी 4th में 8th हाउस नहीं है फादर की डेथ का?
Oh, sir. Okay, sir.
Right. So Mercury is appearing in 4, Mercury is appearing in 5, and Mercury is appearing in 9. So it is appearing in 8th house, it is appearing in the first house. So 1/8 along with Badka. And then through Saturn, it is appearing in 3rd house, it is appearing in 4th house, 8th, 9th, and 10th house. Again appearing in 4 and 9th house along with Marka houses. So all the houses, ascendant, Marka, Badka, and 8th house are there. So they are involved strongly. And Venus is appearing where? Venus is appearing in the 5th house. Okay. Venus is sign lord of the 5th house. It is not appearing in 3, not appearing in 4, not it is appearing in 5, not in 8, not in 9, not in 10. It is only appearing in 5, and 5 is a Badka house. Therefore, it justifies the condition for the death. Right? So, Mercury, अब भुक्ति लॉर्ड के लिए कंडीशन क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है? Even if Bhukti Lord appears in Marka and even if it is a significator of Marka and Badka houses, it can cause the death. The presence of Bhukti Lord in 1 or 8 is not essential. The presence of 1, 8 along with Marka Badka is essential for the Dasha Lord. You can write it down. the presence of 1-8 Marka Badka for Bhukti Lord, or not necessary. The significations of Marka and Badka houses only at the Bhukti level is okay to cause the event of death. For Antra,
Marka sufficient.
हाँ जी,
Enough.
sufficient.
Yes, okay.
ओके, भुक्ति लॉर्ड मार्का बादका में भी अगर अपीयर हो जाए, सिग्निफिकेटर बन जाए, तो इट कैन कॉज डेथ. अंतरा लॉर्ड सेम कंडीशन एज भुक्ति लॉर्ड. सूक्ष्म लॉर्ड should appear in 8 with
अंतरा लॉर्ड के
marka
लिए
और बादका.
कपिल जी अंतरा लॉर्ड के लिए कुछ बताइए.
सेम कंडीशन एज भुक्ति लॉर्ड.
अच्छा, ओके.
ओके, सो मरकरी जो है, इट कैन कॉज द डेथ. Now Mercury is appearing here as Bhukti Lord as well as Prana Lord. Prana Lord के लिए condition क्या है? It has to appear in 1 and 8. Prana Lord has to appear in 1 and 8. Suppose 1 is not there, 8 is essential. If 8 is not appearing, it will not cause the death. Is it okay?
सूक्ष्म लॉर्ड सर, एक बार सूक्ष्म लॉर्ड के लिए बताइए सर.
सूक्ष्म लॉर्ड के लिए 1 और 8
सूक्ष्म
along
लॉर्ड
with
के लिए
मार्का बादका.
सूक्ष्म लॉर्ड के लिए along with 1
I
and 8
repeat,
मार्का
सुनो
बादका.
ध्यान से, सुनो ध्यान से सुनो. दशा लॉर्ड 1-8 मार्का बादका.
ओके.
भुक्ति लॉर्ड मार्का एंड बादका सिग्निफिकेशंस.
ओके.
अगर 1-8 आ जाए तो और भी अच्छा है, ना आए तो भी ओके है.
ओके.
So the condition is, even if Marka Badka is signified, no 1 and 8 is there, even then it is okay. But if 1 and 8 are also appearing, it is then excellent. और भी अच्छा है.
Sir, Marka Badka is not there, 1 and 8 is there, then
It is okay. It is okay. 1-8 हो तो okay है ना?
Okay, right.
Right? Antra Lord, same condition as Bhukti Lord. Sukshma Lord, appearance in 1 or 8 along with Marka Badka. Prana Lord, appearance in 1 and 8. Appearance in 1 and 8. Okay.
8 is compulsory.
8 is compulsory.
That means Dasa and Sukshma same rules.
कहाँ सेम रूल है?
क्या सर, दशा 1 and 8 मार्का बादका and सूक्ष्म.
अरे अभी तो आप सुनते नहीं ना ध्यान से, आप बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं देते, बात को सुनते नहीं हो. मैंने क्या बोला? 8 is compulsory, 8 is compulsory. 1 कई बारी नहीं भी आता.
8 is compulsory for दशा.
प्राणा लॉर्ड.
प्राणा लॉर्ड.
प्राणा लॉर्ड. ओके.
मूर्ति करे प्राणा लॉर्ड.
देखो सभी में 1-8 1-8 1-8 1-8 आ जाए तो बहुत बढ़िया.
ठीक है.
अगर भुक्ति लॉर्ड में सिर्फ मार्का बादका आ जाए, ओके, सेटिस्फाइज द कंडीशन. अंतरा लॉर्ड में मार्का बादका आ जाए, सेटिस्फाइज द कंडीशन. सूक्ष्म लॉर्ड में 1 और 8 दोनों में से एक का आना जरूरी है along with मार्का बादका. प्राणा लॉर्ड में 1-8 आ जाए along with मार्का बादका, just like दशा लॉर्ड, it is good, excellent. If suppose 1 is not appearing, only 8 is appearing, then even it is okay. If 8 is not appearing, 8 has to be must for the prana lord. Okay.
Okay, sir.
तो ये conditions हैं. So all these, now Mercury as Bhukti Lord and Mercury as Prana Lord satisfies, because Mercury as Prana Lord is appearing in 1 and 8 along with Marka Badka. We have discussed it just now. It is appearing in 4, it is appearing in 9, appearing in 5, appearing in 3, appearing in 8, appearing in 10. So it is appearing in all the houses. It can cause death. Now we are left with Sun and Moon. Read the significations of Sun. Sun has got PS. Sun has got PS. It is appearing in 5. Right? Sun is also present in 10. It means Sun is appearing in Marka and Badka. Okay. Sun has got PS. It is in the star of Rahu, sub of Moon and sub of Rahu. Rahu is Mercury and Sun. So Sun has PS, it is appearing in Marka and Badka. And Marka Badka houses are 5 and 10. Okay. Rahu we have already discussed. It is appearing in 3 and 5. Rahu is appearing in 3 and 5. Mercury is appearing in 4, 5 and 9. And then Sun. Sun is appearing in 3 and 10. We have already discussed earlier. Then Moon is appearing in 4 and Moon is appearing in 8. Okay, 8th house and Marka house. So then Sun also satisfies the condition for causing the event of death. Now let us look at Moon. Moon has got PS. It is in star of Ketu, sub of Jupiter and sub of Ketu. Ketu here is Jupiter. So Moon is appearing in 4 and 8. We have discussed just now. यहाँ discuss किया हमने 4 and 8. Moon is appearing in 4 and 8. Okay. So 8th house appear हो गया. And 8th house is Marka house. Ketu is appearing in 3. Again a Marka house. And Ketu is appearing in 9. Which is ascendant. 9th house में बैठा ना Ketu. Okay, Ketu star lord है ना. Without PS it is sitting in 9th house, so it has to be taken. Okay, so 9 Ketu is appearing in 3 and 9. It means the involvement is of 3, 4, 8 and 9. That is first house, 8th house and Marka house. And Jupiter is there in 5, 9 and 10. Badka house, Marka house and the ascendant. And then Ketu again is there in which house? Ketu is in 3rd house, satisfies the condition. Jupiter in 5th house satisfies the condition. So Moon also satisfies the condition. All these planets, they are giving the event of death at the reported time. Hereby no change in this time has to be made because the event of death has clearly passed without changing the time period. The event of death can be fully explained. Okay, is it clear up to this point?
Yes, sir.
ठीक हो गया ये? आप किसी ने कोई क्वेश्चन पूछने हैं तो पूछो. अब इसके जो बाकी इवेंट्स हैं हम नेक्स्ट टाइम पे डिस्कस करेंगे, नहीं तो क्लास बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी, लेंथी हो जाएगी. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम वी विल डिस्कस मैरिज, फर्स्ट चाइल्ड, सेकंड चाइल्ड, जॉब एंड प्रमोशन. ओके, नाउ एनी क्वेश्चंस टू बी आस्क्ड? किसी को कोई बात अब क्लियर नहीं है तो आप पूछो. You are welcome to ask questions.
What I got a doubt, sir, 1 8 should be there in Prana Lord. 1 or 8 or should be there in Prana Lord. Am I right?
8
See,
compulsory.
look here. अगर 1 8 आ जाए तो बहुत अच्छा है.
अच्छा.
सर
अगर सिर्फ 1 आएगा तो वो नहीं चलेगा, डेथ नहीं देगा.
8 must be there.
8 का आना जरूरी है.
Yes.
ओके, 8 का
प्राणा
आना
लॉर्ड के
जरूरी
लिए,
है.
प्राणा लॉर्ड के लिए,
प्राणा
sir.
लॉर्ड के लिए. अपीयरेंस देखो, अपीयरेंस ऑफ 1 8 इन ऑल दिस इज वेरी गुड, एक्सीलेंट सिचुएशन फॉर कॉजिंग द डेथ. बट फॉर भुक्ति लॉर्ड Marka का can do. Antara Lord Marka का can do. For Sukshma Lord 1 or 8 along with Marka का can do. For Prana Lord 1 and 8 along with Marka का can do, or 8 along with Marka का can do.
Okay.
Okay.
Dasha Lord. What is the difference, sir? Dasha Lord and Sukshma Lord.
दशा लॉर्ड और सूक्ष्म लॉर्ड में बहुत फर्क है. दशा लॉर्ड तो मेन प्लैनेट है ना, बिना दशा लॉर्ड के यस हुए तो इवेंट नहीं होगा ना डेथ का. इसीलिए देयर आर सर्टेन कंडीशंस इम्पोज्ड अपॉन द दशा लॉर्ड. नहीं तो किसी भी दशा में डेथ हो जाएगी ना. लाइफ का स्पैन देखो कितना है. सपोज कोई आदमी 100 इयर्स रहता है, अब 100 इयर्स रहेगा. आप सपोज करो किसी का बर्थ हुआ 1861 में और ये 1961 तक रहा, तो सारी दशा आ जाएंगी.
No, sir. What I am
Suppose
asking,
a person is born on 15th of June 1861. Okay. And he dies on at the age of 101 years. Okay, 15th of June 1962 ही died. अब कितनी दशा आ जाएंगी उसकी लाइफ स्पैन में? हाँ जी बोलो अब,
बोलो नहीं
कितनी दशा आ जाएंगी? केतु, वीनस, सन, मून, मार्स, राहु, जुपिटर, सैटर्न, मरकरी सारी आ जाएंगी. यू गेट द पॉइंट? अब सारी आ जाएंगी तो राहु में दशा में डेथ नहीं हुई, जुपिटर में नहीं हुई, मरकरी में ही हुई सिर्फ. Look here, not every dasha can cause the death. Only a particular dasha can cause the death. And what is that particular dasha which satisfies certain rules, certain conditions? Only if those conditions are fulfilled, it will cause the death. Otherwise, not. That is why for dasha lord, you have certain strict conditions. Unless and until those strict conditions are there, the dasha will not give the death. सपोज 8 सब लॉर्ड से कनेक्शन नहीं होता, डेथ नहीं होगी. आपने बीटीआर कर लिया, सब कर लिया, नहीं डेथ होगी. यू गेट द पॉइंट और नॉट?
यस सर.
तो इस तरह से लेना पड़ेगा ना हमें.
ओके ओके.
We have
डेथ
to-
रूल्स.
सर अगर इन एनी फैमिली द ग्रैंडफादर और ग्रैंडमदर का कोई डेथ है नहीं तो देन हाउ कैन वी गो फॉर?
क्या?
अगर किसी फैमिली में ग्रैंडफादर या ग्रैंडमदर का कोई डेथ नहीं तो फॉर इवेंट
कोई डेथ नहीं, नहीं फिर तो वी विल डू इट बाय टेकिंग अप अदर इवेंट्स ऑफ द
अदर
लाइफ.
इवेंट्स.
हाँ, other events of the life. At least we should have 5, 6, 7 events. Only then we can justify the rectified time.
Okay,
If we are doing it with one event, if we are doing it just with ascendant sub-lot, not okay. If we are doing with 1, 7, 10 rule, not okay. If we are fixing the arc and doing it, not okay. If we are only having one death, not okay. Suppose there is no death, you are taking the case of marriage, even then it is not okay. Childbirth is there, some justification is there. Second child is there, some more justification is there. Third child is there, some more justification is there. So this is how you know, more is the number of events,
okay sir.
better is the result which we are going to get.
Okay sir.
जितने कम इवेंट होंगे उतने रेक्टिफाइड टाइम में एरर के चांसेस ज्यादा हैं. जितने ज्यादा इवेंट होंगे उतने रेक्टिफाइड पीरियड में एरर के चांसेस कम होंगे. So that is why you know minimum of 5 to 6 events should be there if you want to get the actual rectified birth time. Otherwise तो फिर जो टाइम पीरियड आपका आएगा, आप सपोज इसको 1, 7, 10 रूल से करेंगे तो ये ओके हो गया. अब सपोज फर्स्ट चाइल्ड का बर्थ इस टाइम पे एक्सप्लेन नहीं होगा, देन यू विल हैव टू चेंज द टाइम एंड देन वी विल हैव टू अगेन रीचेक द कंडीशंस ऑफ डेथ. ओके,
चित्त मास.
सो मोर